Ole Weaver once said, security is not an objective condition. It is what we make of it through discourse and power. What if the biggest battles in the world politics today are not only fought through weapons and wars, but also through narratives, energy corridors, digital infrastructure, and strategic partnerships? Welcome to the latest edition of Statecraft Magazine. We begin with our theme of the month on India's energy security in a changing geopolitical order. As global conflicts disrupt supply chains and energy routes, India's energy diplomacy, strategic reserves, and nuclear ambitions are becoming central to its foreign policy calculus. Alongside this, we also examine India's three-stage nuclear program and its long-term strategic significance. In India's foreign policy tracker, we analyze India's evolving engagements with Sri Lanka and Finland. India's fuel assistance to Sri Lanka highlighted its role as a regional first responder, while the India-Finland strategic partnership reflected growing cooperation in digital technology, sustainability, and innovation. Our defense and tech diplomacy section covers Operation Urja Suraksha, Exercise Dweep Shakti, and IMEX 2026, highlighting how defense preparedness and technological collaboration are becoming inseparable in modern geopolitics. The Global Snapshot section takes you across regions, from Nepal's 2026 elections and the TAPI pipeline progress to escalating tensions in West Asia, China's growing role in Africa, Thailand's deep South conflict, and Japan's deployment of long-range missiles. This edition also gives a strong focus to Indian polity and governance. In the Polity Digest, we examine the role of money power in Indian elections, major committee recommendations, and significant judicial developments. Our Indian politics and constitutional tracker cover parliamentary developments, standing committee reports, and policy decisions linked to nationally determined contributions and agriculture. The judiciary section analyzes important issues surrounding Article 25, political party expenditure and regulation, passive euthanasia. In electoral developments, we discuss the Election Commission's latest initiatives, including digital vouchers and airtime provisions for political parties. The Scheme in Action section simplifies important governmental schemes such as Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0, PM Asha, Modified Udan Scheme, and National Green Hydrogen Mission. This edition's Scholars Insight section introduces major thinkers, helping readers connect contemporary developments with core academic debates. And finally, our Thinker of the Month explores Ole Weaver's contribution to securitization theory and how security itself is constructed through political discourse. We also revisit the defining moments from the world political history in our time capsule, including the Iraq War, NATO's bombing of Yugoslavia, annexation of Crimea, and Dalai Lama's flight to India. If you are preparing for UPSC or simply wish to understand the changing world order with depth and clarity, this edition is designed for you. Read, analyze, and think critically.